Welcome back friends, I'm Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel the Forex Nexus. In this video I am going to explain about the Bollinger Band function, that how the bands working in multi-time frame analysis and how we are identifying the trend or ranging area with the help of Bollinger Band. So first of all we will check out the Bollinger Band functions. This is Bollinger Band and this is gold daily chart. This is upper band, lower band, middle band. You guys know that when we are going to analyze before going to that, you must need to know about the Bollinger Band function, that upper band is working like resistance, the lower band is working like support, and the middle band working like mediator between buyers and sellers. Okay, and in the first lesson of bbma we already explained that, but the new students are mostly asking about the Bollinger Band, because the bbma Bollinger Band is Bollinger Band playing important and basic role in bbma, because with the help of Bollinger Band we can identify a bullish trend, a bearish trend, or the ranging areas. So you need to focus on Bollinger Band while you are using bbma strategy. You need to focus on Bollinger Band, that it's expanding or not, or it's squeezed flat. So today mostly students are asking that what is Bollinger Band expansion and what is flat market, how can we identify that the market is ranging now or it's squeezed now. Now in this video we will also explain that suppose a re-entry is coming after a trend CSM, then the market is making a re-entry, that what will happen on smaller time frame, how we will identify that the market is going to retrace for the re-entry and then it will drop. So these are the basic questions which mostly students are asking in my Telegram group. If you are new to our channel and didn't subscribe our channel, so please must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lessons. And also check a Telegram link in the description. You can join our Telegram group where we are sharing our daily analysis with entries, with stop loss, so you can trade with us also. Remember, this is free of cost channel. We are not going to charge you on Telegram, so it's free, so you can join us. Now let's coming back to the lessons. First of all we need to know about the Bollinger Bands, that how many bands it have. It have 3 bands: upper band, lower band, and middle band. The upper band work like resistance, the middle band work like a mediator between buyers and seller, and the lower band working like support. But it's a moving support and resistance, remember that it's a moving support and resistance. Now there are 2 types of Bollinger Band. This is Bollinger Band flat, ranging area, when the upper band and the lower band is flat including middle band. It means that the market have no decision to go upside or lower side. Okay, when a CSM happens, it means that the market guards its direction, because it will break the ranging area. Okay, it will break the ranging area, like here the market broke the here at this point you can see here the market break the ranging area and now it's going downside. So this is the Bollinger Band ranging area, and this area is you can easily see this is expansion. At this point you can see here the whole area, from here to here. This is also Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band is expanding here also. Now expanding means when the upper band, suppose the market break the ranging area and form CSM, the candle close outside of the lower band here, the upper band will move upside. It's like this. Suppose this is a ranging area, okay, and the Bollinger Band and start moving downside because of lower momentum, then the upper band will move like this. Okay, so this is the expansion. Now let's check out on other time frames to get. Here you can see these are the clear examples of expansion and ranging area. I hope so that you can understand it clearly, you can learn it. Now I am expecting that your confusion will be clear now. This is the perfect example. This is the ranging area, you can see here. The market is moving in a specific area, getting rejection from here and here, here and here, here. Now this is also, but this one is also ranging area. Here we also got the ranging area. Now you can easily see an expansion here. This is expansion, this is also expansion. You can see here the Bollinger Bands are expanding toward the upper band will expand towards upper side, and the lower band expanding toward lower side. This is also expansion. When we get the expansion, the Bollinger Band expansion, it means that the market have potential to go upside or downside. If we got CSM buy, then an expansion happened, it means that the market have potential to go upside. You can hold your trades, okay. If the market have downside momentum, I mean sell momentum, and Bollinger Band is expanding, it means that the market is have potential. It can go, it can drop more, so you can hold your trades, right? So this is the Bollinger Band expansion. Now let me show you one thing more. If we have, suppose we got Bollinger Band expansion on H4 time frame, okay, or H1 time frame, or H1 time frame. Let me mark this area. And let's move to M15 here. Here you can see the market also showing expansion, right? The markets also showing expansion, that the market can is dropping more on second time frame as well. If at this time frame on H1 on M15, if we got like here the Bollinger Band is squeezing, it means that the market is coming for re-entry on higher time frame, which we marked on H1 time frame, like here you can see. So these are the things you need to know, that when expansion happens you can hold your trades, but you will keep monitoring your trade on lower time frame. If you got that, if you got the Bollinger Band curved shape, it means that the market is retracing, and you can book your profits on that time. How you can, if the CSM is strong, I mean the CSM is valid, then it means that the market is coming for re-entry again. Okay, then after the re-entry, keep eyes on expansion on smaller time frame. If it's happening, you can hold your both trades, the first one and the re-entry second trade, you can hold it. But if it's squeezed, you can take your profits on the lower band of second time frame. You can close your trades and wait for the another opportunity. Okay, so this is the Bollinger Band, that how I am using in daily routine, daily analysis, you can see in my Telegram group. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, write down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.